I see tomorrow in a simple shine, in a fragile curve of a waiting line. Nothing spoken, nothing sworn, just space where something can be born. Hands above me tilt the sky, gravity sings as the stream replies. First cold touch, first awakening, a small beginning, everything. Pour it in, let it move through me, let it wash what I used to be. Every drop is a memory gone, every ripple says move on. I'm made of waves, I'm made of light. I bend, I break, I reunite. In this moment I am free. Pour it in, let it be me. Clear dawn, breathing through a quiet room, light like a promise on the edge of blue. A glass waits still with a listening heart, empty but ready, a sacred start. Time slows down in the hum of air, every second learning how to care. The world feels loud, but this moment knows how to soften sharpness, how to flow. I see tomorrow in a simple shine, in a fragile curve of a waiting line. Nothing spoken, nothing sworn, just space where something can be born. Hands above me tilt the sky, gravity sings as the stream replies. First cold touch, first awakening, a small beginning, everything. Pour it in, let it move through me, let it wash what I used to be. Every drop is a memory gone, every ripple says move on. I'm made of waves, I'm made of light. I bend, I break, I reunite. In this moment I am free. Pour it in, let it be me. Bubbles rise like silver prayers, dancing truths I didn't dare. They speak in pops and fragile sounds, tiny bells with no solid ground. Ice like mountains drifting slow, teaching patience, teaching cold. Edges soften, angles fade, nothing here is meant to stay. I've been burning, I've been dry, thirsty under crowded skies, chasing echoes, chasing names, running circles, feeding flames. Now I feel the cooling grace of something pure against my face. Not a cure, not a command, just a chance to understand. That clarity is not control, it's letting go, it's letting flow. I don't need to hold so tight, what is clear survives the night. Every ache dissolves a bit in the honesty of this. I was shattered, I was loud, now I'm listening to now. Pour it in, let it move through me, let it wash what I used to be. Every drop is a memory gone, every ripple says move on. I'm made of waves, I'm made of light. I bend, I break, I reunite. In this moment I am free. Pour it in, let it be me. I hear oceans in a glass, ancient futures, distant past. Every river ever known finds a way back home. I was taught to stand like stone, never crack, corners in this truth, only curves that guide me through. I don't have to be the fire, I can be what calms desire. Let me change without a scar, let me be exactly a vessel and a spark, a quiet glowing heart. Pour it in, let it move through me, let it wash what I used to be. Every drop is a memory gone, every ripple says move on. I'm made of waves, I'm made of light, I bend, I break, I reunite. In this moment I am free, pour it in, let it be me. When the glass is finally full, there's no weight, there's no pull, just balance in a fragile frame. Nothing lost and nothing claimed. I'll carry this into the day, this gentle strength, this open way. If the world gets hard on me, I'll remember how to be clear, alive, and always new. Like water, learning how to move. Floating in a dream, the water's soft embrace, a world of weightless grace. Whispers in the waves, I feel it all. The weightless drift, the freedom's trace. My heart's adrift in this endless space. Underneath the surface, I'm alive, dancing through the shadows we collide. Gentle tide, sinking deep in the colors of the night. The world outside fades to light. My body moves like it's part of the sky. I close my eyes and I start to fly in this ocean's arms. I'll never die. Underneath the surface, I'm alive, through the shadows we collide. Weightless, we're flying, no need to hide. In the water's arms, I feel alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. Caught in the current, I'm spinning around, lost in the rhythm, no gravity's found. Every movement like a soft sound. Underwater, my soul is unbound. Underneath the surface, I'm alive, dancing through the shadows we collide. Weightless, we're flying, no need to hide. In the water's arms, I feel alive. if I'm alive. Beneath a canopy of cobalt night, where heavy clouds compose their brooding hymn, a silent city holds its breath in light, and every window burns like jeweled rim. The water, dark as ink from poets' quills, receives the sky, receives the far-off glow. Yet from its heart a sudden wonder spills, a choir of fountains rising bright as snow. Each column lifts as if to touch the storm, as if to plead with thunder to be kind. Blue fires bloom and velvet waves reform, while mirrors tremble under breath of wind. I stand alone where luminous currents sing, a solitary listener by the shore. And in my chest an ancient bell takes wing, remembering what I have been before. Oh, river of light, oh, fountain of flame, carry my longing, baptize my name. Let every arc be a vow in the air, let every drop be a whispered prayer. Blue as devotion, bright as the dawn, teach me to rise though my heart is drawn, through storm and silence, through night's refrain. Oh, river of light, remain, remain. A palace of glass to the right of my gaze curves like a lyre in a gilded hand, its ribs of steel in electric haze, humming with life from the waking land. And far behind the horizon sleeps, but here the water refuses to rest. It leaps, it dances, it laughs, it weeps, like childhood returning to warm my chest. I see the fountains, each one a tale, each one a dancer in bridal blue. They rise as if they have read the Grail, they fall as if they are born anew. And in their fall I hear a cadence sold, a measured pulse of ceremonial time, as if the sea had turned itself to gold and taught the stars how to learn to rhyme. Oh, river of light, oh, fountain of flame, carry my longing, baptize my name. Let every arc be a vow in the air, let every drop be a whispered prayer. Blue as devotion, bright as the dawn, teach me to rise though my heart is drawn, through storm and silence, through night's refrain. Oh, river of light, remain, remain. The sky is a throne for the darkened wind, a cathedral ceiling of stormy stone. Yet here below, where the lights begin, the water writes music of its own. Pink sparks bloom like roses in the spray, soft as a blush on the cheek of night, a fleeting comet that will not stay, yet leaves behind a haloed light. How strange to find in a modern place a ritual older than spoken words, the way the water lifts its face to kiss the air like startled birds. How strange to feel my weary years unfastened like ribbons in the rain, to let the fountains drink my fears and turn them into something plain. I think of lovers who once stood here, holding hands in the wind's cold breath, of those who laughed without a fear, and those who prayed against their death. For water remembers the touch of all, the joyous shout, the secret sigh. It gathers stories in every fall and keeps them where reflections lie. So let my story join this stream. Let it be carried in foaming and lace. Let it be woven into the dream of blue-lit fountains in this place. The city watches with neon eyes, a patient guardian of the shore. And still the water dares to rise, as if it can be hurt no more. Oh, river of light, oh, fountain of flame, carry my longing, baptize my name. Let every arc be a vow in the air. Let every drop be a whispered prayer. Blue as devotion, bright as the dawn. Teach me to rise, though my heart is drawn. Through storm and silence, through night's refrain. Oh, river of light, remain, remain. The wind walks through me like a hymn, turning my thoughts to trembling reeds. I feel the world grow wide and dim, yet here it answers all my needs. A sudden roar, then hush again. The fountains breathe